Let us keep taking few more questions to understand it better. Suppose for example 991 whole square, b value is 9. Subtract 9 from this number, I will get 982. Base is 1000 which is having 3 zeros. Don't write 3 zeros. B value is 9. 9 square is 81. Write only 1 zero. Last 2 zeros replace with 81. How simple it can be, sir? How beautiful. Suppose for example, tell me the answer. 99992 whole square. This is nothing but 99,992. It is closer to 1 lakh. 1 lakh is having how many zeros? 5 zeros, right? 1 lakh is having 5 zeros. First of all, b value is 8. Subtract 8. 99984 followed by 5 zeros which I will not write. B is 8. 8 square is 64. Write only 3 zeros. Last 2 zeros replace with 64. Very easy logic. I don't want my students to keep wasting time without knowing this kind of beautiful shortcuts in simplification topic. Suppose for example, last question, 999, probably I can say 999 3 whole square. Let me take 3. I did not take unit digit 3 in any of these examples, I think. Yes. 9993 whole square. B value is 7. Subtract 7. 9986. It is closer to 10,000 which is having 4 zeros. Don't write 4 zeros. 7 square is 49. Write 2 zeros. Write 49. Simple, sir. It can be as simple as possible if you understand the concept. A square minus B square logic is something which we are discussing, and so beautifully we can apply logic of this particular thing. Very easily we can solve it. I hope the idea is very clear. Next. Now listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. I told you sometime before that for any student who is preparing for a competitive examination, you need to know squares minimum till 25. You need to know cubes minimum till 15. If you don't know squares till 25 and cubes till 15, you will be under danger in the examination hall, because most of the numbers will rotate till 25 for square, will rotate till 15 for cubes. Till 25 it is my student's responsibility. After 25 it is something which I will teach you the squares, right? I will teach you the squares. Now listen to this carefully, sir. Listen to this carefully. I am teaching you how to find the square of a number from 26 to 35, provided you know how to find the square of a number till 25. Squares from 26 to 35. Squares from 26 to 35. Listen carefully, sir. Assuming that you know squares till 25, I am taking it forward from 26 to 35. Now, there might be some students who might not know till 25. Assuming that you at least know till 15, I am writing all the squares from 15 to 25. Just hold on, because I will list out all these values so that you will understand it better. Listen carefully, sir. 22 square, 23 square, 24 square, and then the last number is 25 square, right? I will write it here anyway. Okay, 25 square. Now let me fill out all these values. This is 225, 256, 289, 324, 361, 400, and then it is 441, 484, 529, 576, and then it is 625. I am assuming that till here my students are very comfortable with. If not you are, please make it comfortable, sir. Now listen carefully, sir. Squares from 26 to 35. Suppose for example I want to find 28 square. I want to find 28 square. One way of finding 28 square is apply a plus b whole square, which I already taught you people. Another way of finding 28 square. Everyone listen carefully for first problem. Another way of finding 28 square. Now, the number is 28. 28 and 25. What is the difference? The difference between 28 and 25 is 3, right? It is 3. Because the difference between 28 and 25 is 3, go back 2 units from 25. From 25 if I go back 2 units. 1 unit if I go back, I will get 24. So 2 units if I go back, I will get 23. 3 units if I go back, I will get 22. Because the difference is 3, go back 3 units from 25. If I go back 3 units, I will meet 22 square, or in simple language it is 25 minus 3, which is 22 square. What is 22 square? That is the reason I told you need to know. 22 square is 484. Write down 484 because you actually went 3 units behind. Add 300. If you go 7 units behind, add 700. If you go 4 units behind, add 400. 484 plus 300 is 784. 28 square is 784. Two more example for my student to be comfortable. Listen carefully, sir. Suppose, for example, I want to find 32 square. Step number 1. 32 and 25 difference is 7. Subtract 7 from 25. 25 minus 7 is 18. 18 square is 324. Because you went back 7 units, add 700. As simple as it can be. Answer is 1024. Right? Answer is 1024. Suppose, tell me the answer for this question, sir. Beautiful way of shortcuts. Suppose, for example, I want to find 34 square. Right? I want to find 34 square. 34 and 25 difference is 9. 25 minus 9 is 16. 16 square is 256. 256 plus 900 because you went 9 units behind. Answer is 1156. Within seconds, even if you don't know square till from 25, I told you that minimum criteria for you is till 25. Till 25 you should know, sir, definitely. After 25 I am teaching you very easily to solve the questions. I believe the idea is clear. Suppose, tell me the answer, sir. Tell me the answer for this question. Suppose I want to find 29 square. 29 and 25 difference is 4. 25 minus 4, 21. Square is 441. Add 400. Answer is 841. Very easy logic to find out the solutions. I hope the idea is clear, sir. Very easy logic to find out the solution. Mega, how can 43 square be 1156? Must think logically. These are all logical ways of thinking. 40 square itself is 1600. Can 43 square be less than 1600? Forget about what is 43 square. Forget about that. 43 square, can it be greater than less than 1600? No, right? How can it be 1156? You have mentioned there 43 ka square is equal to 1156. I hope it is clear, ma Mega. Yeah, Mega, I got it. I hope that every other student is clear, sir. Square till 35 is over, right? Square till 26 to 35 is over. Suppose, for example, I want to know how to find squares from 36 to 75. Squares from 36 to 75. Now listen carefully, sir. In our previous technique, squares from 26 to 35, the base was taken as 25. In this particular concept from 36 to 75, we are taking the base as 50. Concept is given by 50 plus x whole square. 50 plus x whole square is nothing but 25 plus x slash x square. This x square should be in 2-digit format. X square value is nothing but the last 2 digits of that particular value, right? Suppose for example, now listen carefully, sir. You might ask me, sir, what is the proof of this? Right, sir, what is the proof of this? I am just giving proof for people who are interested with. I will take a small example. Suppose I have a number 123, right? I have a number 123. Suppose that I put a slash. This is my unit place. This is my tens place. This is my hundreds place. If I put a slash right after hundreds place, that means if I put a slash in between hundreds place and tens place, then this can be written as 1 into 100. 1 into 100 plus 23. 1 into 100 plus 23 is nothing but 123 itself, right? It is nothing but 123 itself. That means, suppose for example, same 123 if I put a slash after units place, that means between tens place and units place, then this entire number will be multiplied by which number? 10. 12 into 10 plus 3 is also 123. That means wherever you are putting the slash, that particular number you will multiply with. If you put a slash right after hundreds place, it is that number into 100. If you put a slash right after tens place, it is that number into 10. I believe that it is clear. Now think logically, sir. think logically. Suppose I want to give you the proof of this, right? I want to give you the proof of this. This x square is nothing but a 2-digit format. That means the last 2 digits are completed. The next digit, whatever you have written here, is nothing but the hundreds place. That means 25 plus x. After 25 plus x, I am putting slash. That means after hundreds place, I am putting slash. I can write it as 25 plus x times 100, just like the way I wrote here as 1 into 100. 25 plus x into 100 plus x square. If I expand this bracket, 25 into 100 is 2500 plus 100x plus 100x plus x square. X square plus 100x plus 2500 is nothing but equal to 50 plus x whole square. That is what I actually wrote here also. 50 plus x whole square is nothing but 25 plus x slash x square. I believe that the proof should be very clear for my students. I will tell you the proof whenever it is required, so that even if you forget the concept, my students should make sure that they will solve those questions. 50 plus x whole square is 25 plus x slash x square. Now see here, let us take 3 to 4 examples to illustrate the fact. Squares from 36 to 75 is what we are discussing. Suppose for example, I am taking a number 57 square. I am taking a number 57 square. 57. The concept is 50 plus something whole square is 25 plus x slash x square. X square should be in 2-digit format. Now compare 57 with 50 plus something. 57 is 50 plus 7 whole square. Step number 1, find out the value of x. X value is 7 in this case. Substitute in step number 2. 25 plus 7 is 32 slash x square is 7 square 49. 49, is it in 2-digit format? Yes. Remove the slash. Answer is 3249. One of the other method of solving is a plus b whole square. This is yet another method. Suppose for example, I want to find 62 square, right? I want to find 62 square. 62 and 50. What is the difference, sir? 50 plus how much is 62? 50 plus 12 is 62. X value is 12. 25 plus 12, it is 37 slash 12 square is 144. 144 should be in 2-digit format. It is not in 2-digit format. Take only the 2 digits 44. Remaining 1 carry forward. 37 plus 1 is 38. Answer is 3844 for 62 square. Now you might ask me a question. Sir, 57 and 62 both are greater than 50. Range is from 36 to 75. Less than 50 is also there is a case. Suppose for example, 42 whole square. 42 can be written as 50 minus 8 whole square. In place of x, I have minus 8. Substitute. 25 minus 8 is 17. Minus 8 whole square is 64. Is 64 in 2-digit format? Yes. Answer is 1764 directly. Right answer is 1764 directly. And suppose another question. Last question in this concept. Suppose I have a question called as 39 whole square. 50 minus something is 39. That something is 11. X value is minus 11. Do not ignore that negative sign. X is minus 11. 25 minus 11 is nothing but 14. Minus 11 whole square is 121. It is not in 2-digit. Take only the 2 digits. 1 is carried forward. 14 plus 1 is 15. 39 square is 1521. Very beautiful. Within a second concept you are learning right now, sir. X square. Sorry, squares of numbers from 36 to 35, 36 to 75. The concept is given by 50 plus x whole square is 25 plus x slash x square. Very fast you will get the answer if you know the squares what I discussed from 26 to 35 and then from 36 to 75. Kindly comment in the live chat if my students are clear. Suppose for example, you need to find the squares from 76 to 99, right? Squares of numbers from 76 to 99. Suppose for example, in this 99, I already taught you 94 square. 94 square belong 94 is a number between 76 to 99, where we used a square minus b square concept. A square minus b square concept. Now see here, sir. 94 square is nothing but 94 minus 6 is 88. 94 plus 6 is 100. 88 into 100 is 8800. 6 square is 36. It is 8836. Suppose, for example, I want to find 88 square. 88 square, same logic once again. B value is 12, right? B value is 12. 88 minus 12 is 76. 88 plus 12 is 100. 76 into 100. 12 square is 144. 7744. Any number from the range 76 to 99. Apply the logic which we already discussed as a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. We already solved several questions on this concept. Use the same logic from 76 to 99. I believe that the idea is very clear for you people.